Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this. This is gonna be a sign for outside and I started to open it, but I'm gonna finish opening it here for you guys so you guys can watch me open it and we'll see how it looks. So I have yet to see it myself, so hopefully this is gonna be nice. So let's see, so we open it here. Oop, something fell. Some hanging screws for it. We have a chain, we have a plug, we have an outlet thing, and then we have our neon sign. So let me put all this stuff here. This is just the box it came in. Stick it over here. Oh, wow, this is gonna be sweet. Okay, we're getting there. So this is what it's gonna look like here. It says la afuera. Means the outside. Ooh, check it out. That looks really nice. And so it comes with a little wire here. We're gonna open this up. We're gonna get it all going here. So here is the wire. And it's really cool. So it's on this acrylic thing. You can kind of see here. It's kind of, I guess it's like glued on there somehow. They did a really nice job. It looks beautiful. So let's see if we plug it in. I guess I'll plug it into this adapter here, which in turn plugs into the outlet plug. Let me see, I have a little battery pack here, so we're gonna plug it into my battery pack. See if it works with that. Let's see. And it does, so look at that. Boy, that's pretty bright, man. It gets really bright. That is really nice. Look, I can dim it, make it brighter. So how cool is that? I'm gonna say this is really nice, and you see how big it is. It's a good size. So I'm gonna hang this up on the outside of our house, and it's gonna look just super awesome. So, and then it's got the wire, so it'll have a little wire going down, but at least it's a nice little thin, clearish kind of wire, so it won't be too visible. But very cool. So I'm gonna say thumbs up from me on this, and here's some of the information about it there. So let me see, is there anything I'm missing? It's just got the installation stuff. Oh, I'll show you guys what it comes with. So here it comes with this chain. So I can hang it on the edges there and have it hanging from the chain. And then it also comes with these. So it comes with a little bit of anchor bolts and some screws to screw it in, so I could screw it in the corners onto the wall. And it'll screw pretty flush onto the wall. You can see the neon part sticks out the front, not the back, so that'll be good. So it'll be pretty flush on the wall. So I'm not sure how we're gonna hang this one. I might just try to hang it first with this, and then if we like the location, we'll permanently stick it in with that. So very cool. Awesome, I love this thing. This is really nice. Way better than I thought it would be. So I love it. So, thumbs up, links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.